Hello, Jim. TechBuzz new headphones in from Pioneer and are the HDJ-CUE1 black Nor, and that's what they look like on the front there on the packaging. So on the side, high quality sound, durable and robust, flexible monitoring style and foldable design for easy carrying. So that's pretty much what it says there, and some specs on the back. You can read them there. Closed dynamic, impedance 32, and the usuals all down there. And that's pretty much what you get in different colours they come in as well, which is pretty nice. And that's pretty much it on the box. So let's get into it and have a look and see what they look like in the flesh. Right, nothing else in there. So in here we've got our usual booklets and all the stuff that not many people tend to read. So we've also got our cable here. And it's like this flexi one here, so as you can see. 3.5 both ends with nice tips on them as well. And that's pretty much it. There's no case or anything or adapter, as most phones today and so on don't have headphone jack. They're not only for phones, as you can imagine, because they're DJ headphones. So this is what they look like here. They've got a nice look on the sides here. They do look premium. Pioneer DJ there, you can see they twist right around like so. Both sides, obviously. They move in and out there too. And they flex up like that and close up. So they're nice and portable. They've got nice cups, as you can see, they're fairly deep. And that's pretty much it there. I'm going to quickly put them on the head and see how they feel. Noise isolation is pretty good when you put them on. First, up top then, you've got a headband. You have got a nice soft padded cushion underneath here. And a nice leathery kind of feel along the whole band itself. You can see in here what the joints look like. And you have a ratchet style extension both sides. And that's pretty much it. Now, these are pretty much plug and play. So there's no buttons, none of that stuff on these. And that's all there is to it at the moment for them. So we're going to test them out on a couple of things here at home. We're going to test them out on the TV, test them out on the tablet, and have a phone or two there that has a headphone jack, and see how they sound just as they are as a plug and play. And we'll come back then and let you know how they do sound. And we look forward to testing them out. We've also got a couple of amps there we can use as well to check out and see if it does any good or make them even better. But we'll test them on their own first and see how it goes from there. And that's basically it. You're going to pop one end of your cable in here, and you're going to pop the other in your phone. So let's have a look and see how they fit and how they sound. And that's it. Just going to pop in the cable like so, and job is done, and we'll go and get listening and see what they sound like.